Hi guys, this is Jana here, welcome back. Today we have the third episode using the 2-ingredient vegan meat, and it's gonna be a hamburger. Because in the first episode I showed you how to make it and like stir fry it just a little bit just to see how it is like actually after cooked. In the second episode, click there, we made a lasagna, so you don't need to do practically anything, just mix with the sauce of your preference. And now in the third episode, what we're gonna do is like we're gonna make it like sticking together in the shape of a burger. You can make it even tighter and then wrap it in aluminum foil and then put it in a stove or in your oven. And then it's gonna be, and then you can slice it later. It's really nice too. But today we're going to make the burger because why not, right? Summer is here. Practically it's time to barbecue, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're going to barbecue it. We're gonna grill it outside. So I think it's gonna be a little bit special. So first thing we're gonna do is like, this is our meat that we made. It was frozen. So, all right, let's get started then. Okay, so first things first, we're going to add the meatless mushroom meat in a bowl, along with 2 or 3 teaspoons of garbanzo beans or chickpea flour. I lately prefer to use chickpea flour instead of regular flour because of proteins. This has a lot of proteins. So if you want to boost it in your meat, that's exactly what you do. And in every place, everything, I have preferring to lately to add the chickpea flour. Roughly mixed garlic powder and onion powder. A few drops of liquid smoke, just a tiny bit, a little more. There you go. And a pinch of chili powder. I don't want the heat from the chili, I just want the taste. And now what we do is we work on it. It doesn't need much more working or anything. It's just to make it glue together. Oh, I forgot. Very important. Salt. We have already added salt. When we made it, we have added soy sauce. But we added a little bit of chickpea flour and 2 or 3 more ingredients. So we need to salt and to season all the layers of the food. So at this point, you don't need to put it in the freezer or anything. You just make the balls now. You just make the hamburger shapes now. And work on a shape. Oops. We have a jumper. Just work on a shape like that. It is not like meat. It is not going to shrink. So the size that you prepare now, it's pretty much the size that you're gonna get. And there you go. And there you have it. And now we're just gonna pop them in the grill. And what I like to do is, because this is like there's 0 fat, I like to spray it a little bit of any kind of fat of your preference. It can be olive oil, vegetable oil, butter, even better, because the butter gives that golden color, because it tastes so much better and it gives a little bit of humidity to the hamburger. So let's go grill it. So this is it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget the whole thing. I'm not gonna say everything again because look what I have in front of me. Have a wonderful week. See you next time. Bye-bye. How am I gonna eat this? I'm gonna try. Really good.